Oh, this is some decor at, oh God, is that Mickey? Oh jeez. I don't know why. These, they're porch light covers, yes. They just creep me out. I don't want to see a glowing Mickey. I don't know.
How does it glow though?
You put it over your porch light.
Oh, I thought it was a man. Oh yeah, you can't see that.
Yeah. I mean, they have a Jack Skellington. But see, okay, look, it's painted.
Depends on the color.
It's not going to glow as much as just say
as
this Jack
Jack
Skellington or Oogie Boogie back there. So, yeah. Got this three pillow pack.
What do you mean marquee decoration?
I tell you, the Halloween pillows are in this year, man. Ooh, lighted garland. I like that. Ooh, creepy cloth. I wish it wasn't this really, how do you say, really spaced out woven stuff. I wish it was the good stuff. Give me like regular cheesecloth. Oh, and sorry, but because of us haunters, cheesecloth prices are just ridiculous. I'm telling you. Cheesecloth used to be so cheap because, you know, no one uses it. It's just for old grandmas. Well, then us haunters started buying it up a ton, and they figured that out, and so they raised the prices, them jerks. These are really cute. Oh, I love this boo. It's so pretty. Got some Jack Skellingtons and some witches and stuff, and some stick jerkies. Sorry, these are so cute. Yeah, that's the word, cute. Bone creatures. I don't see any of the ones I despise, like you know, spider skeletons, because spiders don't have. Is that a giant? No, I thought it was a giant rat. Too bad. I don't know what's up there. I can't really see it, so I'll just put the phone up here. Something is $23, and it looks like a regular skeleton, but I'm too short. I'm all stretched out, and I still can't see it. Ooh, look, it says skull and crossbones. And I'm about to break things. Not on purpose, of course. I would never. I don't do that. There's the button. What do you do? Ooh, I like it. Hey, you know, if you're into piratey stuff, oh Lord, $17. Okay, well maybe wait till it's on sale. But it's still cool. I like it. I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like them.
Okay. Really, what I wanted to show you, I was waiting until the very last second because it's ridiculous. Okay. So we have Sally folded up, and then we have falling Sally. Okay. Well. Hanging, dangly thing. I mean, yeah, she's a dangly thing, you know, in the movie. And then there's some more Sallys. And then there's this one. Oh my god. They made her dress go all the way up. Oh my god. Ay, geez, girl, why are you wearing a mini skirt? Oh god. It just looks so bad. Especially when you look at it right next to all the others. Ay, ay, ay.
Even she's going like, I don't know what's going on.
Uh-huh.
No, what, look.
Oh yeah, and a little
really
tombstone
cute
pack. There's 4 in here for $8.
It's happy fall days.
Fall days.
No,
No.
No, but this is really cute. I like it with the black cat.
That is cute.
Eyes are kind of freaky though.
I kind of like those.
And then
Those are
like
pretty.
oh, it's got a bat and a candy corn.
Oh my god, look at they're cute.
Look at
I mean, of course they're
that.
cute.
Why is my wrist?
There you go. Ooh. Don't film and break things. There we go. Nice, nice. I don't know what those are, but they're pretty. Lots of, you know, fall stuff, and looks like some sweater pumpkins.
Oh my goodness, you're right.
Anyway, that says NBC Jack. That one says NBC Jack too. Oh, I know what those are. Those are more of the skull and crossbones up there. Okay. So, nothing new. Awesome. And there's this cool ghoul, but he ain't got no batteries, so I can't show you. Alright, found one with batteries in it. And I don't really think it fits, because it's, I don't know, like getting electrocuted. Maybe that was supposed to be lightning. I don't know.
But it be electricity though.
Yeah, I know. It's very and a wolf howl. I don't know about that one. I think they just put some random sounds in it, and that's crazy witch. Oh Lord, it's Pom Pom. Well. Well, I guess they just had the ones I really despise somewhere else. I mean, it's kind of cute, I guess, but they don't have no bones. I mean, that's the whole point of being an octopus is you ain't got no bones. I don't know, like, what this thing is. It's a chain. Oh my god, it's so tangled up. They should give you, like, a discount if you can untangle this. That's tragic. It's a... Oh. Well, that kind of sucks. It's a, there. That's it. That's all there is.
Just 2.
3.
Oh.
They got like 2-headed cobra.
That's technically incorrect, but yes.
And we got some mermaids. Well, here's the bottom of the mermaid. There's the top. That's pretty much all you're gonna get. They got a little bikini. I like the hair though. That's kind of cute. What else?
The snake's incorrect.
Ooh, bouncing flashing eyeballs. Purple.
Oh, this is funky.
Oh, I'm gonna light up you.
A child's skull.
I know. There we go. Now I got to light up. You're just gonna hit it harder. Do you light up? Yeah, you do. Oh, it's a little candle. Oh, it's even cooler. I thought it was gonna be like some LED lights.
It smells weird down here.
That's a Shawshank light up spider. Okay. They had this one last time. No, this one's out of batteries.
Yeah, these are kind of cute though.
I thought it was depressing. Right. And some other stuff. Buckets. 0. Little mini stuff, candles. I like those metal pumpkins down there. Cheeky chickies. I don't know what this is. This is a mat, I think. Wipe your feet on. I think. That's really cute. You turn it off though? Nope. It's just on. I'm caught in the mermaids again. More pillows.
Oh, this is kind of cute.
Treat bags. Those are fabulous. Yes, please.
There's a purple one.
Animated walking spider. Wait, what? Like for real? For real, real? I mean, it says the eyes light up. Oh my god, it's trying to walk, poor thing. Here. It was, right? Did I hallucinate that? I thought I saw its legs move. I can't tell now. Hair clips, bats, rats. Squeaky. Ew, it looks really gross on my hands. Anything over here? Lights.
3, 2, oh.
Sorry, light
I
display.
was gonna do a flash warning, but
Oh yeah. Do. How about you? What you got? Oh, I love this. Push it all the way up. It's a flashlight. Well, sorry, I don't want to get you. It's a flashlight that goes down, so you can like hold it. You're like, oh, I need to see where I'm walking. But when you're not using that, then it's like, oh yeah, this is great for visibility. Yes, safety. You got that right.
it's cute.
Yeah, so it only has 2 modes, which is the flashlight, which is all the way up, and then that one. This is really neat. I love this. So cool. My kids were still trick-or-treating, I'd totally buy this. But no, they're scaring the crap out of your trick-or-treaters, and I love it. Oh, it's a hedgehog! I mean, good. It's so cute, it's a hedgehog. Did you see the hedgehog?
One of my friends has a hedgehog. Had a hedgehog.
Oh.
He passed away.
I'm gonna say, don't you know how I feel about had a hedgehog? I feel sad. This is at Grocery Outlet, by the way.